Boom shakalaka, nothing but net. What is going on, guys? Ugh, sideways days. Sideways days, just another sideways day. Everything keeps going sideways with the markets. They just keep going sideways. I know, you might have thought I'm like a Grammy Award-winning music singer. Actually not, just made that up. But, yeah, today is Friday. Thank freaking goodness it's Friday, June 8th, 2018. And we have a news episode for you with some fun stuff, like McAfee gets mentioned, like Ontology Global Capital, like some other stuff. But before we get started, thank you to everyone subscribing. Thank you to everyone mashing on the like button. And guys, if you want to find out how to win one of these sweet shirts, comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chances to win, or you could just go buy one right there. But taking a look at things today, it's the same, pretty much identical to yesterday. Okay, it's down a little bit, teeny little bit, 1-2%. Like, I wonder if dudes who report on stocks actually have anything to report on a daily basis. Because for them, stuff moves so slow. It's like, over the past month, something went up 1%. Well, you know, everything's down 1, 2, 3% today. Overall market cap down by about $5 billion. Bitcoin dominance back up just a wee little bit. The big winner for today, buy box token, BIX. Made a couple videos on this one, maybe like a month or so ago when it was at like 60 cents, saying it was undervalued. Well, I mean, it's had pretty decent returns so far, but, you know, they have some good stuff on there. And if you just hold a bunch of buy box tokens and just do like one trade a week, just trade one token back and forth per week, you get returns that are like, I think like 15% or something like that. My buddy Rain did the math for me. It's pretty ridiculous if you just do the math there. So, you know, there's that one. Other than that, nothing much moving. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin, still in this ascending channel. So it's still overall going up, but we are coming towards the bottom, testing this lower edge of the ascending channel, and also coming back down towards the 365-day moving average. The MACD still looks nice, so still holding that Bitcoin. Didn't sell it back for US dollars yet. Now on to the news you say. First thing, biggest news, McAfee challenges the SEC to a CNN debate. No, just kidding. It's actually pretty cool. So, he says, I challenge the SEC to debate me on CNN. I debated the FBI 2 years ago when they overstepped the bounds. You, the SEC, have overstepped your bounds. Did you guys know he's 72? That is incredible. I mean, he looks pretty good for 72. Not bad. All right. Then, 7 days. So anyways, 2 years ago, he challenged the FBI to a debate. 7 days after the CNN debate with FBI, the FBI dropped their demands that Apple give them the backdoor. So this is when Apple wanted a backdoor password to the iPhone so they could get that information on there, because in that debate, McAfee said the FBI had been hacked by a kid just a few weeks ago. There was no way this master key would not be hacked and revealed to all. Boom. Well, he wants to talk with the SEC because he believes the majority of ICOs do not meet the Supreme Court Howey test for securities. And because of that, they're not securities, so then everyone can invest in ICOs. So I say, McAfee, go do it. SEC, stop being pussies and go have a debate with McAfee on CNN. Boom. Now, the next news. Ontology Global Capital, brand new, okay? First time I've ever said that on an episode. You guys have heard me talk about Neo Global Capital before, which is a big capital organization. Well, this is Ontology Global Capital. Boom. It launches with Selina Xu as the founding venture partner. So today, Ontology, a high-performance, you know what Ontology is, announced the launch of Ontology Global Capital with Miss Selina Xu of Danghua Capital as the founding venture partner. OGC will commit itself to supporting blockchain technology and blockchain industry ecosystems globally, accelerating industry participation and application rollout, and welcoming exceptional projects to connect with OGC. So I would keep an eye on, well, first off, what does this mean? That means that now not only can Neo build up their ecosystem by funding certain projects with Neo Global Capital, but now Ontology can build up their ecosystem by funding projects with Ontology Global Capital, and both of them together can just have this whoosh, crazy thing. Not to mention Miss Selina Xu. Wow. Yeah, I'm just not going to say anything there, but yeah, wow. So, report this year, 1.1 billion has already been stolen in crypto this year, and the year's only halfway through. You know, we could expect 2.2 billion for the rest of the year. Now, cybersecurity company Carbon Black announced that roughly 1.1 billion worth of digital currency has been stolen in the first half of 2018. They talk about how hackers can do it and yada, yada, yada. But per the study, exchanges were the most popular target for cyber criminals this year, making up 27% of attacks. Yeah, it makes, I mean, because like basically they just make these fraudulent exchanges, you put your information in there, and then all of a sudden you have given them all of your information, your passwords, your private keys, all that fun stuff. Super easy for people. I think that's one of the reasons why Google stopped allowing ads, because they could put, like, let's say you were searching for Binance and whoever paid the most could have a Binance ad up there. So you click on that Binance ad if you don't know the difference between an ad and an organic result. And then you end up putting your login information in this fake Binance website and give away all of your information. So I think that's part of the reason why Google banned those ads. But you know, maybe also because they want to create their own cryptocurrencies and make money from it. So be careful, guys. Obviously, we know be careful. 1.1 billion already lost this year. Let's try not to make it another 1.1 billion for the rest of the year. Talking about Google, gosh, I love these segues when they work out like that. Talking about Google, the Chinese Google, Baidu, to release the Interstellar Blockchain game. So it's got a game called Du Yunhao, the universe, where users will receive elements to build their own planets while using blockchain features. It sounds kind of like psychedelic trippy. So it's an open blockchain interplanetary journey, a magical world made up of all kinds of rare elements, each user possessing a unique planet. Whew! Also, guys, you get a freaking airdrop with this. So the site notes that each user will receive 100 random elements in an airdrop when the game launches. The more elements the user has, the larger the planet grows, thus increasing its gravity and allowing it to get more elements that unlock mysterious functions. Also in the news, Alipay's parent company secures $14 billion for blockchain development. So their operator Ant International has entered into definitive agreements with investors to secure $14 billion in a Series C equity financing round. The money will be spent to pursue blockchain and technological innovations. Okay, now Ant plans to invest the capital in accelerating Alipay's blockchain, artificial intelligence, security, and Internet of Things capabilities for its global tech platform. Yummy. Yummy. Everybody wants in on the blockchain. Everybody. Everybody. But get this. This is the coolest thing, okay? So this got me thinking today. This got me thinking, all right? So, New York State approves privacy coin trading. The cryptocurrency platform Gemini is the first bit-licensed exchange that actively trading an anonymous cryptocurrency now that the state's Department of Financial Services has formally accepted the trading of Zcash. It's a move that could have big implications for other privacy coins like Monero, Dash, PIVX, Purge. Boom. So, Gemini Exchange, you can put Zcash on there. That means this is the first really easy way to have, I mean, aside from using like local Bitcoins, but through an exchange like Gemini to have untraceable currency. So you just, you know, have Zcash, send that Zcash to Gemini, which can't be traced where it came from because it uses ZK snarks, and then you just exchange that Zcash for US dollars. All right? Crazy. But that's how you launder money in cryptocurrency. We don't launder money in cryptocurrency. We all do the honest stuff. Now, Vechain Thor testnet now live. Mainnet and token swap on the horizon. So Vechain Thor, the public testnet, now available on GitHub. You can go check it out. You can download it. You can read through it. You can read it to other people. You could do story time with Vechain Thors. But for those of you who want to know what Vechain Thor is, full-scale upgrade to the Vechain platform, utilizing the same features from before, so all the stuff that they were doing before, but shifting towards becoming an ecosystem similar to Ethereum. They want to be super duper slow. That's basically it. The updated robust white paper seeks to tackle IoT, blockchain governance, supply chain logistics, cars, blockchain IDs, and more. Now we have a few partnerships going on this week. Icon and Deloitte, they signed an MOU. Now that's not a binding agreement, but that's like, hey, we'll play together, that type of thing. Icon and Deloitte Startup Advisory Group signed an MOU to develop, empower, commercialize blockchain-based projects. So Deloitte Blockchain Lab has commercialized more than 30 blockchain projects, and Icon's technology is expected to strengthen both companies' competitiveness in the blockchain industry. Effect.ai partners with Civic. So Effect.ai will utilize Civic's cutting-edge security identity platform to provide future users with a safe and convenient way to access the Effect network and its wide array of features. So look at this. Partners abound on this Friday. Other than that, no real news other than just, McAfee facing the SEC. Could be very cool. Now, we got to get to zero. Eventually we'll get there. There we are. All right, so yesterday, 2 videos. For those of you who want to win a shirt, make sure you comment on this video and every other video. And then you enter to win video number 1, crypto news. Video number 2, the book review. In case you guys didn't see that fireside chat book review, that was pretty fun. All right, so ready? Number 1, the news episode. All you guys who watch the news, you might have a chance to win. All right, let's see. We got this news episode, and the winner is Binance is down. No, is it? Who knows? 154 unique commenters, and the winner for the t-shirt is yo, happy birthday, Paulina. Bezrad Tahiri. Okay, he says hi. Well, Bezrad, you win a t-shirt. Email me at the email on my About page, and I will send you a t-shirt wherever you are in the world. I'm going to guess you are in... I have no freaking idea. I was going to say Pakistan, but that's probably not even close to correct. So, hello, and congratulations on the shirt win. Email me for that. I will catch you guys later. Either this afternoon or tomorrow, I'm going to have an episode about a potentially lucrative ICO. One that's been touted as saying 200x gains. So stay tuned for that episode. And then I'll catch you guys later. Love you very much. Happy birthday, Paulina. And then we'll catch you all later. All right? Peace, 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 peace.